recording us eating
It's samosas party from Kapil.
from Kapil. Fuck, it's
अच्छा
full.
है अंकल है ना
Chickpeas.
Yeah.
तुम बना के रखो तो बड़ी बात है.
बन रहे थे
What happened? Kinda?
I
Is
asked
it
him.
Insta 360 Nico?
Yeah, the small one for action. Is it for bike?
Samosa party.
Nico, this is like samosas is like croissant for us. है ना अंकल?
हाँ.
Croissant?
Yeah, samosa and
Croissant
chai.
is a plain, but samosa have some potatoes.
No, I'm talking about like how like Canadians eat
The
croissant.
treatment of
Yeah, it's like a
food.
evening snack for us.
Evening, but croissant is breakfast always. Right?
Yeah, but this is more of like an evening snack with tea.
Oh, with tea. What kind of tea?
Tea with milk, sugar and
Masala
milk.
tea.
Not English tea.
1 year before I stopped drinking alcohol.
Mhm.
2.5 years before I stopped drinking coke.
Niku,
I drank too much alcohol last year.
forgot to tell Rose. Do not discuss this story with Rohit. Tomorrow morning, she will ask us, "Oh, what happened yesterday?" Then Kapil will be.
No, it's okay.
We will.
पर वो टेंशन में आ जाएगा.
I mean, nothing,
नहीं, हमको
nothing
बता
happened.
रोज को बोल देंगे.
About what?
No, this.
No.
Hmm.
He's chill.
Who's still?
समोसे अच्छे हैं, नॉट बैड.
बढ़िया है.
इतनी दूर आया तुम वसूल हो गए, वरना अगर होते बेकार.
With that,
एंड उस सबसे अच्छी बात है इसको ऑथेंटिक ही टेस्ट कराया हमने.
हाँ.
ये नहीं वो फ्रोजन वाले.
वो बेकार होते.
हाँ, जो हम जो खाते हैं वही सेम है वो, है ना.
So hot.
Hot.
how it's the meat samosa?
That's a
bro?
one. Yeah.
I haven't tried it yet.
I thought you would say
You eat
spicy.
meat, right?
No, hot.
Yeah,
I mean,
hot.
hot.
You don't
Hot,
eat meat?
hot.
New
Why?
cook. Newly cooked.
Just chicken and mutton? Or
Just chicken.
no
And
mutton?
I don't cook. I don't know how to cook. I can only put utensil on this stove.
Oh,
I don't know what to do next.
bro.
So we found
even
a
I was
spot
like
for the
that,
samosa.
Yeah.
But I learned cooking.
Finally.
अंकल कोक डालो यार.
मैं कितना डालूं?
आपका टम्बलर आप निकाल लो
उसका कैप नहीं है, उसमें से वो है ढकना है, वो छोटा सा, वो मुंह लगा के पीते हैं.
तो उसमें डाल लो.
मैं डाल लूंगा, पर अभी तो मैं खा रहा हूँ ना. Too much potatoes.
But it's good.
Chutney is spicy है.
Sweet, bro.
Sweet.
It's good for him. I tried.
I don't need sweet. I need salty. Give samosa to Niku.
Yes, Nico.
Niku, your second one.
What is the wrapper made of?
It's a bread, like a wheat. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is made from wheat and all-purpose flour.
So mainly all-purpose flour.
Yeah.
Nico, there is a guy in my city, like a shop. They sell over 5,000 samosas every day.
Oh my god.
10 rupees each. Like he's earning.
No. 2 for 10, I guess.
Oh,
2 for 10, so it's cheap.
Yeah. It's like
it's very cheap for Nico.
2 for 5 cents.
They might have increased the price.
I don't know.
It's calling.
My bad.
She's supposed to be at home.
Oh, you?
He and me do both.
अंकल रुक जाओ अभी मत लाना.
वो बैटरी का ऑप्शन होता है ना. Shahid,
That's fine.
bag is free.
That's fine. But what do you want?
I need a bag.
Why?
Bag, one more samosa is there.
You can grab it. You give it to him.
Oh, you need to throw something.
Everyone go
No.
2 samosas, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have. I can
fine.
take one for my wife.
See?
She also loves samosas. कभी इसको एक जगह कर लियो.
Fahim is the lover
इसको
boy.
बाद में जब उतरूंगा ना मैं तो गाड़ी में से बाहर फेंक दी कचरा हो जाएगा वरना. Guys, I'm coming from my back.
Why not throw it here?
अब गाड़ी
you,
मत
Nico.
चलाना अभी.
अबे मैं उतर रहा हूँ नीचे गाड़ी से गिराऊंगा.
It's been so long.
अरे कभी ठंडी नहीं ली तूने.
I had samosa.
बोतल गर्म है.
Nico,
When did you have Nico?
this is like authentic samosa, not like westernite version or something.
Mm-hmm.
Mostly here you get like frozen samosas. They get it from Walmart or something.
Mm-hmm.
They fry it, but this is like authentic. This is what we eat in our country.
It's really good.
Yeah, I'm glad that you tried authentic one.
You
Rohit
tried
brings-
before, right?
Rohit brings before, yeah.
Nico, the cola is not cold.
That's why I told Kapil. I knew you're gonna say it.
I need a chill one.
They don't. Golden is not selling.
Huh? What do you
Golden
mean?
sweets is not selling.
अंकल मैं अपनी बोतल लेता हूँ उसमें मेरे को भी डाल के दो.
Why does the sweet shop sell bread and samosa?
It's a savory snacks, Nico.
Jalebi. Nico, where is your bottle?
I have it here. Don't worry. I'm not drinking pop.
Sure.
No, yeah.
बोतल का मुंह से छुटा के डालूंगा. एक मिनट रुक जा. मैं साहिद को देता हूँ.
No, fine, bye. I don't drink so.
ये रख ले बस पूरी.
Oh.
क्यों निकाल रहा है?
पूरी रख लो कह रहे हो.
हाँ.
पूरी कहाँ रखूँ मैं?
अबे बच्चों को दे देने घर में तेरे घर पे बच्चे नहीं कोई दूसरे.
जूठी हो जाएगी सारी तो मैं घर पे ही लेके जाऊँगा.
तो तेरी बोतल का मुंह छुटा है ना.
क्या हुआ?
I really like the sauce.
Yeah, sauce is good. Nico, did you take sauce?
Yeah. Almost done.
You want, bro?
Yeah, little bit.
But
I'm trying to prevent it from spilling on my
ठंडी नहीं
clothes.
हो ना उसमें मजाक नहीं आता. Without chill, no taste. Nico is not that hot.
अभी चलाना मत.
It's not
अरे मैं
spicy,
बैठ
but
को कर रहा हूँ.
see the smoke.
It's just a combination of hot and cold here. It's not a hot. You enjoy samosa or not? Just let me know.
Really
It's
good.
a good recipe, no?
Yeah.
It's an Asian dish. Bangladesh में होते हैं समोसे?
yes.
I don't know.
Even Iran, they have some.
But even Gulf countries have the samosa, but they have some kind of different kind of a stuff inside.
Texture, yeah.
Yes.
They have meat also, right?
Yeah. But meat, we also have the mince, but the other samosa is the slim one, not that big
But
one.
fine, bye. Have you tried the puff pastry?
Yes.
Puff will be so good.
Yeah,
fine, bye.
yeah. My wife made it at home. We have some uncooked puff sheets
Yeah.
from the frozen sheets, so we made it at home.
My friend made it yesterday.
Yeah.
What's the sauce made of?
Ooh.
टर्मरिक. गुड़ को क्या कहते हैं?
अबे कपिल, ये सारा कच्चा सामने ही फेंक देंगे,
हाँ, तो ये वही तो कह रहे हैं.
वरना फिर जो है ना वहाँ तक गिरे फिरना पड़ेगा. दिल ने बजाई घंटी और तेरे के
You have
रटन.
trash?
No,
Yeah.
I put it.
Give it to him.
There's a trash.
Yeah, he will put it there all together. Why we go separate one by one?
No.
Mhm. This is Niku. This is Kapil who give us this treat, samosa treat.
Thank you, Kapil.
And that one is Sahid the Great. Okay. And Fergus is not available. And it's me, Fahim, and Fergus is not available. Okay.
Don't say anything like that.
You want to upload it? Oh my gosh!
अंकल एक नैपकिन दे दो बस मेरे को. रख दो इधर. Don't shoot us.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello, everyone. Hello,
Just-
YouTubers.
Just
Are you divorced? What is it?
YouTubers.
Universe.
YouTubers.
YouTubers.
you could just enough for today.
Hello people. Hello folks.
I like the taste. Still
You
in
want
my
more?
tongue. Yeah.
You want more?
No, I'm good. Thank you. I'm
Some
not
other
eating.
day. Some other day is on our way.
I'm not eating dinner.
Hmm.
Supposedly.
No. After 1 hour it will be gone.
अंकल इसकी दिक्कत निको के फूड ट्राई करने की हमारी दिक्कत ये है इसका सारा पोर्क होता है पोर्क मैं भी नहीं खाता आप भी नहीं करते
What is that?
Take this.
Your food is mostly based on pork, and me and Kapil is not eating
I
pork.
don't eat pork.
Oh, you also don't. सब कचरा तो कोई नहीं ना पे बस.
नहीं
चलो.
कोक का मजा ही अलग है अंकल
मगर ठंडी होती है ना और मजा करती है.
I thought you're not drinking Coke anymore. Say.
पेप्सी में मजा नहीं आता.
I'm just cleaning my palate